Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Quant Q&A daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's see right now what Q&T Quant is going to do over the next few days to the short term. So eventually Quant has been doing insane. Okay, it has been going all the way upwards, and we are going to see first of all why we went all the way up high, and secondly the next price target. So let's start with the first question. Why did we go all the way up? First of all, we had a bullish pennant right into another bullish pennant, a smaller bullish pennant you will see right here, right into a larger bullish pennant. Okay, so the patterns right here suggested that we are going all the way up higher, lower highs, higher lows. Inside here of the big bullish pennant we had a lower one, which indicated the rest of the huge price action that Quant would have. And secondly, another bullish pennant that came after this option right here, this market structure. You can see the market structure with lower highs, higher lows after an uptrend. So a breakout bullish pennant. We had a breakout bullish pennant again, and we went all the way up higher despite having this huge bearish RSI divergence pattern. Look at that right here and look at that right now. But anyway, we will stay a little bit into the RSI because we might be having multiple bearish RSI divergence, and here I want to stay for Quant Q&T against USD chart. Look at this, lower high, another lower high, and another lower high. Do not actually avoid, and of course you need to pay attention to this RSI, to bearish RSI patterns. Bearish RSI divergence all the way. In the weekly scale, we have a huge commodity channel index risk without a huge RSI risk. So in the weekly scale, we could potentially go even higher. At the same time though, I want you to be extremely careful. Let's see a little bit the price targets. And so we are into the price targets coming and drawing the fib from this top to this bottom right here. You can see that first of all we stopped at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, had a correction right there, and then the next weeks were going to be bullish. Now it is very important to know that it is very easy to achieve the 172 USDT to 173. This is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Once we approach the target right here, we could potentially go even higher. At the same time though, I want you to be extremely careful at the 172.8. okay, this is a huge resistance level that it is going to play for Quant if it plays, because I will tell you the next thing. The next thing is that we are forming multiple bearish RSI divergences, and we need to be extremely careful on the daily frame. Now what we need to do right here for Q&T, it is this exact position, not to close below the 141.3. If we close below the 141.3, prepare for a very huge correction. Okay, so in the daily frame, we want to maintain this support level right here. If we close below this line, we are going down all the way to 128.6, which was the previous high back here on 11 August 2022. Okay, so be prepared and be careful because we might drop even more. Now the rest of this is that if we go all the way upwards, we talked about that 173 is a huge resistance level. If we can close above, then we can always pump very hugely into the 200 USDT area. Okay, if you go back and draw the fib again from the top to the bottom as we did back here, then we can go all the way up to the 0.786 Fibonacci, which is way up higher than the 200 USDT, although I would say that closing above this line right there would get us all the way up to 257.4, although I would take the price profit target at around 200 USDT. So my profit target would be at around 200 USDT, way lower than the 257.4. I want to be very I want to actually minimize the risk a lot, so that's why I would take the profits back there. But for now, what we need to do is to hold the support level that we talked about before if we are about to have a correction, because if we have a daily red candlestick right here, we are going to correct. Now there is a huge chance that we do not have a daily red candlestick. We hold the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA, and we go all the way up higher to the 173.5 before we go down, right? So we can have a nice price action of around plus 13% more. This now Quant, is looking very great. We have a bearish RSI divergence back there though from the Wednesday 28 September towards the Sunday 9 October between the RSI in the 4-hour frame. That's why you need to be a little bit careful, but at least we are holding the 20-day and the 50 MA, which is pretty good to hold. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You are going to take easy profits, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.